Francis, and I'm here at Destination Art, and I am so honored to bring my program that's in honor of healthcare workers all over the United States, nurses, doctors, phlebotomists, anybody that's part of the hospital crew. I'm trying to paint to honor them so that they feel seen and appreciated and thanked and supported. And it is all part of my program, which is about recovering after trauma work for healthcare workers. They support us. We need to support them. And so that is what this program is all about. And Destination Art, wow, they have allowed me to bring this story, this wall of wonderful people, as a beginning, a way of saying, we see you and we want to be there for you and we thank you. We must hear their stories, we must experience their stories so that during tough times, the traumatic illnesses of this pandemic, they need to know that we're behind them. We've got their backs like they have our backs. So thank you so much, Destination Art, for allowing this to occur here. Thank you so much, nurses and doctors and all the hospitalists that are part of this process. And please help me get this program in every hospital, to every hospitalist. We want them to feel the peacefulness of knowing that they have done so much for us, even though they have seen us at our worst. So again, Destination Art, thanks for helping me bring this story to all of us.
I'm Judy Umansky, and I work at Santa Barbara Cottage Hospital in Santa Barbara. And I've known Dr. Carol Francis for about 30 years. Last December, I was at work and I got a photo on my phone of a portrait of myself with a mask that she had compiled. And she said she wanted to do this for other healthcare workers, and she wanted to give her book to us also for free to help us in any way she could through this time. As she started to do more portraits and see into our souls, we felt seen.
And we're so glad to welcome all of you here tonight. We're so happy to have Dr. Carol Francis Art. She's now one of our associates, and her artwork here to honor the healthcare workers and all that they've been through in this last year.
These individuals who provide care, grace, love, kindness every single day. I can see from some of my team members when you talk about, what's that glare in their eye. I mean, these two individuals are just like that. You can see the smiles of one of our nurses, one of our great caregivers in assisted living. You can see the smile, you can see the light. Many of these individuals had never gone through anything like this before. It is the sacrifice of so many staff members. I have 150 team members that work day and night to support our residents and also to support themselves. That spirit that's on this wall, our nurses and our caregivers who were on the front lines, they were there. They were the ones providing the care. They were the ones at risk.
We have to remember the good things, all the hard effort by the healthcare workers, the first responders, the people who had to go to work. Many of us were angry because we couldn't go to work. But then there was the essential workers who had to be there. If they weren't there, society would stop entirely. And Dr. Francis, this is really, I think, a great way to tribute those people. When I walked in here and saw that, it's like, oh my gosh, that's all you could say. Oh my gosh, you feel the love that those people put in. Stay healthy, everybody. Think about the healthcare workers. Think about your neighbors and your families during this time. Understand what they went through.
As the mayor said, it's a special place, and in Torrance, we really do love the arts. And as Mr. May said, he used the word spirit, and as I looked up here and looked at all these individuals, there's a spirit that you feel, and Dr. Francis has captured it. And I have to tell you, it really is heartwarming to see it. She's done a great job, and what a wonderful, wonderful tribute. And thank you, Margaret, and everybody involved here for opening and being able to share this with everyone. And I hope that it does travel and get a lot of spirit out there.